Welcome to BobMath. In this video we have a new exercise for algebra. Well, our exercise is as follow. We have x and y as definitely real number. Show that x squared divided by y squared plus y squared divided by x squared plus 3 greater than or equal to times x divided by y plus y divided by x. Always before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics. Then complete the video. We know that x divided by y plus y divided by x minus 1 all square greater than or equal 0. So x divided by y plus y divided by x all square plus 1 square minus 2 times x divided by y plus y divided by x greater than or equal 0. Therefore, x divided by y all square plus y divided by x all square plus 2 times x divided by y times y divided by x plus 1 minus 2 times x divided by y plus y divided by x greater than or equal 0. And therefore, x squared divided by y squared plus y squared divided by x squared. Now we simplify the numbers x and y. So we got plus 2 plus 1 greater than or equal to times x divided by y plus y divided by x. Therefore, x squared divided by y squared plus y squared divided by x squared plus 3 greater than or equal to times x divided by y plus y divided by x. Therefore, this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.